Hey guys, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo LOQ 15i. This is going to be the Gen 9 gaming laptop. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. I'll also give you various battery specs if you're looking for a replacement. So first thing guys, power down the computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip the computer over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have these 4 screws along the bottom, 1 on either side near the middle, and then these 4 up top for a total of 10 screws. After you get those screws out, you're going to take your small flat plastic pry tool. I say plastic because metal pry tools will tend to scratch your case a lot more than plastic ones will. And I would recommend starting in the back corners here. You're going to pop it open. You're going to go around this seam, pop the bottom case up from the computer. Then you're going to go down each side, and then you're going to finish up on this edge. This edge is the hardest to get off. So I would go from the back to the front on this computer. After you've taken your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm opening a computer, it's sitting on an anti-static pad. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on them. If you need any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, there'll be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll have all those tools and replacement parts for the LOQ 15i. Now your battery is down here on the bottom. It's held in by 4 screws. You see these little white arrows with the M2X4L. There's 1 in each corner. You're going to take all 4 screws out, and then your battery plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, as you can see in your computer, there's a small grip on either side of that black plug. So you can use your fingernails or a pry tool, and you can go one side at a time and pry that out from that plug. As with any computer plugs, you want to avoid pulling on the wires as much as possible. You want to just manipulate that plug whenever possible. Now the battery information, this Lenovo battery had a model number of L23D4PK4. It was a 60 watt hour battery, 15.44 volts. Again, I'll have that information below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement, but I'll also include a replacement battery option in that link that I told you about with all the tools and parts. If you notice here too, you'll see this extra space here to the left of this stock battery with a couple more screw holes there. This is for an upgraded extended life battery that's a little longer, and it'll have 6 screws. These 2, and these 2 here. I'll also include one of those upgrade batteries in that link. Last side note for the video, if you're here because your computer's not turning on, if you're having power issues, it's possible that your battery is bad and needs to be replaced, but keep in mind that even when a battery is dead, the computer should still turn on and function with just a charger. So if your computer's not turning on and you want to troubleshoot what could possibly be causing it, I'll have a video link above. Also below in the description, it'll be your troubleshooting process for a computer that's not turning on. So I hope this video is helpful. That's how you access your battery in the LOQ 15i. So that's the video, guys. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. To support the channel, please remember to like and share. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of DIY tutorials. And for those of you that want to support the channel a little further, you can always leave a small donation, and there's a couple ways to do that. First, right below the video to the right-hand side, you'll see the Super Thanks button. You can click on that. You can select a tip amount here. Second way, you can use your Cash App. Find me at $PCHelper. You can leave a dollar amount, and you can even leave a little note. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.